Alright, new belt's in. Careful. Don't want to damage any other equipment when you're replacing it. So I had to let this one loose before, because if the belt's out here, you put tension on it to lift or push down, how's this belt going to get around this with only two hands? So this one had to go loose. It might be different for you, but that's how I got the problem solved. Just make sure it's all in line. That one looks to be in line. That one appears to be in line. Can't really get in there. Let's try this. Where's this one at? Oh, that one looks to be in line too. The one beneath the fan. Right there. That one. Alright, here's my tensioner. Nice hollow pipe. Alright. She appears to be done. Hopefully the squealing will stop. And that's one step to eliminate the squealing. Always go with the serpentine belt or drive belt. Put this thing back together. Hope this helps you. 2016 4-cylinder serpentine belt. God bless.